The Met Office said the effects of Storm Brian could be felt from 4 a.m. this Saturday and that a yellow wind warning had been issued from then until midnight on Sunday. This means severe weather could hit the UK and that travel disruption is possible. In a weather alert from the Met Office, Storm Brian can be seen hurtling towards Ireland and Northern Ireland on Friday, causing potential devastation over the weekend. The Met Office tweeted, "The yellow wind warning is valid from 4 a.m. Saturday morn through till midnight, but wet and windy expected all weekend." Met Erin officially named the second homegrown storm of the season following on from Helene last month. The storm is expected to bring strong gales on Saturday across southern England, the Midlands and Wales. Storm Brian, unlike Hurricane Ophelia, which left a trail of destruction across Ireland earlier this week, is set to bombard England. Forecasters have confirmed strong winds will hit the UK on Saturday, although the storm's peak intensity is likely to be offshore. An expected fall of 24 millibars in 24 hours will give the system enough intensity to warrant the term explosive cyclogenesis or weather bomb. A Met Office spokesman said, "A weather bomb is a term for a low-pressure system whose central pressure falls 24 millibars in 24 hours. Dave Reynolds, a forecaster for the weather company, said, "This storm is going to be large enough to affect the whole of the UK. The low-pressure system is forecast to come in from the southwest before moving across the center of the country. We expect winds of 80 miles per hour, perhaps stronger in coastal regions, and although these might not be as strong as Ophelia, it is important to note that many trees may have been weakened earlier in the week." The next storm, which potentially could be named Brian, may uproot trees which survived Ophelia on Monday.